Yehuda HaChassid in Sefer Hasidim brings down that there was once a wealthy Jew that used to lend out money. And one of his clients had a bad habit. Whenever the Jew would say, hey, it's time to pay the piper, pay me back my money, this guy would run away into the church. And this gentleman knew that this pious Jew is not going to come into the church, and so he would try to prevent the Jew from collecting the money that was owed to him. So it says one time the Jew got so frustrated that the guy was evading him that he ran after him into the church and he said, give me the money. Or else. So he finally got the money, but then he felt guilty. He came to his rabbi and he said, you know, I had entered the church. And the rabbi told him that you did a big sin. The Sefer Hasidim brings this down. If you want to look up the Sefer Hasidim, in Telah, chapter 435. And the rabbi actually told him every day on the anniversary that you had stepped into the church, you should fast. You should make a ta'anit. So, he says this Jew was a very pious and good Jew. And therefore, he actually did this. To the day he died, he used to fast every year that he had stepped into the church.